Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to apply our innovative graphene coating, designed specifically for vinyl and PPF. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your vehicle to eliminate all traces of dirt, dust, and debris. This initial rinse is crucial to prevent micro scratches during the subsequent washing stage. Next, equip yourself with a clay bar or a mitt and start the decontamination process. Ensuring the removal of any dirt, grime, or other elements that might affect the coating's performance is paramount. This is one of the most critical steps before proceeding with the coating to guarantee a smooth application. After clay barring, it's crucial to rinse it thoroughly. The step ensures that all excess soap, as well as any loosened dirt and contaminants, are completely washed away. Once we finish, we'll move on to the drying process. Proper drying techniques will prevent water spots and ensure that the surface is clean and ready for the next steps. We highly recommend using an air dryer. This method significantly reduces the risk of introducing unnecessary scratches to the material during the drying process. Once you've completed the washing and drying process, we can advance to the polishing stage. Polishing is a critical step in preparing your vehicle for the graphene coating application. Using a high-quality ultrafine polish and a dual-action polisher with a low setting, work the product into the vinyl with overlapping passes to achieve a uniform, glossy finish. After completing your pass with the polisher, wipe away any excess polish from the surface. Exercise caution during the polishing phase. Unlike traditional automotive paint, vinyl has limitations on how much correction can be safely achieved without causing damage. Before we begin the coating process, it's imperative to give the car a final wipe down with a surface prep spray. This will remove any lingering contaminants or oils from the surface of the vinyl, ensuring a clean application. Start by applying a moderate amount of the coating onto a foam applicator pad. Begin applying the coating by gently pressing the foam applicator pad against the panel, moving back and forth to cover the entire area thoroughly. Ensure even application by using smooth, consistent strokes to spread the graphene coating across the surface. Once the first pass is complete, apply the coating in the opposite direction. This cross-hatching technique helps achieve comprehensive coverage, ensuring no spot is missed and the coating is uniformly distributed. After coating the panel, allow it at least 1 minute of flash time. This waiting period is crucial for the coating to start bonding with the surface of the vinyl. When drying the car, it's vital to use the weight of your hand, avoiding putting too much pressure on the surface. This helps prevent any potential scratches on the vinyl. Using a two-towel method ensures that you're not reintroducing contaminants or excessive product back onto the surface as you finish drying. Here are some examples of the hydrophobic properties of the graphene coating in action. As you can observe, the areas treated with the Inozetek graphene coating display a significantly reduced tendency for dirt to cling onto the surface. Water and dirt simply do not adhere as they do on untreated surfaces, allowing for a quick rinse to remove the majority of surface contaminants. And that's all it takes to get your car coated with our new Inozetek graphene coating. Everything you need to get started with the coating application comes conveniently packaged in our kit. Thank you for watching our tutorial.